Alright guys, well, I'm going to bring up an issue on the car that I haven't, on the W211 on the wagon. When it's cold, it bucks really hard on first gear, and then it shifts and everything. Once it warms up, it's fine. So, there's probably three issues here. Low transmission fluid, or second, contaminated transmission fluid. With being the radiator being cracked, sometimes the coolant can go into the transmission. So I'm thinking it's that. But third issue, real common on the 722 transmissions, conductor plate. So, moment of truth here. I'm going to check it out here. Unplug these. They look okay. Maybe I'm safe. I don't know. Let's look inside. Yep, look at that. Yep, oil. So, yay, guess what I get to do? I get to do a conductor plate. Well, good thing is, kind of know how to do it. I've seen two people do it. I've seen Monkey Wrench Mike and Randy on Auto Auction Rebuild. So I'm gonna have no problem doing it. Probably get the FCP Euro kit. Rock Auto has one. I'll see the two differences, and we'll go from there. What's up guys, Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Another day here working on the W211, the wagon. Today we're doing the radiator, top and lower radiator hose, and let's see what else. Oh, conductor plate, transmission filter, pan gasket, all that good stuff, and clean out the connectors on this with some electrical cleaner, because oil did get through the conductor plate plug. And I don't know what's in these ones. I think some of it's for the HHR, some of it might be for the PT Cruiser. I'm not sure, but I know this is for the Mercedes, this one, and this one. So let's open up all the boxes, see what's in them. And to take out the radiator, I think all you got to do is take this weather stripping out, take out the the center support right here, unbolt all that, and I think everything just slides out. And then quick disconnect, or no, clamps on the bottom. Take off the splash shield on the bottom. I think it doesn't have one. Disconnect the oil cooler lines, and pretty much done. And I already got it up on the ramps so I can do the conductor plate. Alright, got it draining. Color don't look too good, but it's not too bad. And the conductor plug is right behind that shield. So let's let that drain. Alright, we got it all done. We got the pan off. We got up here the plug and the plug adapter taken out. Valve body is already separated, so almost finished draining. Actually, it's all done draining now. So now I'm going to pull out the valve body and change the conductor plate. Alright, got the valve body out. So now I'm going to take the solenoids out, put them to the side, change the conductor plate. Here's all the new stuff. So let's switch everything over. Oh, and yeah, this part, yeah, it's pretty loose. It's okay, but yeah, as usual. Alright, got everything all buttoned up. Got the pan back on, new crush washer. Put the heat shield back on the transmission, and put the new plug in. Cleaned out the plug with electrical cleaner. So now I'm going to go up top and clean the electrical connector on the TCM. The TCM is good, but I'm still going to clean it off. There's no oil, didn't intrude that at all. So let's go up top and clean that up. Alright, I cleaned the module, all the oil that was in there. I cleaned this, turned the t-shirt yellow, so there was a lot of oil in there. So hopefully I'm letting that dry out. Clean both connectors with electrical cleaner. Cross my fingers, man. I hope this fixes it. Alright, caught most of the coolant. Came out, more than came out than I thought. I'm gonna have to take this cover off so I can get to this hose. I already took off this hose, so I'm gonna take this cover off, but I got the top radiator hose, belt, idler pulley, adjuster, bottom radiator hose, and then I'll put in the transmission fluid because I gotta disconnect the radiator. So I already got this whole front part off. So now I just gotta disconnect the condenser from here, pry it, pull out the radiator, and put in the new one. All right, we got the new idler, new adjuster, new belt, new water pump from about 2-3 weeks ago. I installed it. Now let's put in the radiator and hook up all the new hoses and everything, and then fill up the trans and see if this thing runs. All right, it's the next day. It was a long day yesterday. Finally got the all the pulleys done, new belt, new tensioner, new radiator hoses, new radiator. Got everything all buttoned up, got it all back together, and I filled up the transmission fluid. Guys, don't do what I did. Oh my god, I got mixed up. I forgot to take this off. I started filling up the transmission fluid in the oil. So when I started it, I was like, doesn't move anywhere. Let me add some more. And so I went down below. So maybe I did something wrong on the conductor plate or whatnot, and went down below, went to drain the trans fluid, nothing in it. Dawned on me, crap. So I was forced to do an oil change. Yep, the car started smoking, everything. So did a full oil change, changed the filter, drained it. There's 16 quarts in there. Very, very bad. So don't do that $120 mistake. Make sure you know what you're doing. It was a long day. Like I said, it was a long day, so I chalk it up to that. It was really long. So yeah, $120 mistake, but that's all right though. Car's fine. Now I just got to put the skid plate on the bottom. I'm gonna do that right now, and she should be all done. All right, got the module back in, cleaned out the connector, drove it, works fine. So now I'm gonna put it back in, button it all up. All right, got it all buttoned up, all back together. Looks like nothing happened. So take it for another test drive. All right, that's gonna end Bobby's Backyard Auto Works on the W211 radiator and the conductor plate. Everything's all buttoned up. So let's roll. Until next time, talk to you guys later.